Module 1, Lecture A, Introduction to the Course. Python for Mechanical Engineers is designed to help you turn Python into a practical tool for everyday engineering work. You'll start with the essentials, using strings, integers, floats, and booleans in familiar mechanical contexts, accepting and cleaning user input, converting values for calculations, and presenting results with clear units, precision, and engineering meaning. From there, the course moves steadily from single calculations to reusable workflows. You'll use decisions and loops to evaluate stresses, margins, loads, speeds, torques, temperatures, and design dimensions, build functions for common formulas, test results against expected behavior, organize measurements and material properties with lists, tuples, and dictionaries, parse engineering text, read and validate data from files, handle errors, write formatted calculation reports, and package reusable logic into custom modules. By the end, you'll be able to plan and build focused automation script for analyses such as beams, shafts, and pressure vessels with clear inputs, assumptions, decision criteria, and outputs. You'll know how to validate calculations, identify cases that pass or need review, and produce traceable reports that communicate units, conclusions, and engineering decisions with confidence. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.